If a website on Google Chrome can't use your camera or microphone, the fix is usually very simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow sites to access your camera and microphone in Google Chrome, step by step, so you can get back to video calls, online classes, recordings, and any site that needs permissions. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can change browser settings and privacy options. From the list, click Settings. This takes you to the Chrome settings page. Now on the left side, look for Privacy and Security. Click that option, then select Site Settings. This is the section that controls what websites are allowed to do in Chrome, including using your camera, microphone, location, notifications, and more. If you want a site to be able to request access properly, this is where you need to make the change. Next, let's allow camera access. On the site settings page, click Camera. Here you'll see the camera permission options for Chrome. Select sites can ask to use your camera. This setting is important because it lets websites request permission instead of being blocked automatically. Once this is enabled, websites like Google Meet, Internet, Zoom, and other video platforms can ask to use your webcam when needed. After that, go back to the site settings page and click Microphone. Just like the camera setting, you want to choose sites can ask to use your microphone. This allows websites to request access to your mic so you can speak in meetings, record audio, or use voice features on web apps. If this is turned off, websites may not even show the prompt, which can be confusing if you're trying to join a call or use voice input. If a specific site still isn't working after changing these settings, you may also want to refresh the page or close and reopen Chrome. Sometimes the browser needs a quick restart before the new permission settings fully apply. Also make sure the website itself hasn't been blocked manually under the blocked list, because that can prevent access even if the main setting is turned on. These simple changes should fix most camera and a microphone permission issues in Chrome. Once both settings are enabled, websites can ask for access normally, and you can choose Allow when the prompt appears. That gives you full control while still making it easy to use trusted sites. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.